Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth Paredes, and I'm going to be showing you this beautiful summer hair and makeup tutorial. Please subscribe and hit the bell down below if you haven't, so you don't miss any more videos. First, wet your hair down with just water, nothing else. And then you're going to brush it straight back on the top and also on the sides until it looks like one of those wet looks. Next, you're going to take some hairpins. I like these ones from Goodies from Walmart. And you're going to take the smaller ones and you're going to begin pinning on the side of your head, starting by the temples. And this is just a fad that's been around all year. I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube. It's just using just plain hairpins. I think it looks really cool and it keeps your hair back out of your face. So do the first side and then the other side, all the way down to the nape of your neck on both sides. This is going to keep your hair with that slick look. Next, you're going to take a hair elastic or hairband and just put your hair into a low ponytail. Now just take some more water and just make sure your hair is kind of damp so that it goes up nice and smooth. Next, we're going to do a twist braid. So you're going to just part your hair in two pieces and begin twisting. You want to make sure when you do the twist that you twist the opposite way away from each other. This is going to ensure that the twist is not going to come undone once you get towards the end. So twist one way and then the other way, and then put them together around in a twist. Does that make sense? So just keep on twisting all the way down to the ends. Then just put a hair elastic on the end of your braid. And you're done. I'm going to be using these by Frenchies non-slip hairpins. I love them. They don't fall out of your hair. They stay in all day and they don't hurt your head either. So we're going to make a low bun. Just begin rolling it around and pinning as you go. Tuck in the ends all the way. And you're done. You have this beautiful slick hairdo that is perfect for hot weather. Next, makeup. I'm going to be using this Ulta Beauty Primer. This is really good. It's going to keep your makeup on all day. I'm just going to apply it to the areas that I need it the most. And then we're going to begin with foundation. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I love this foundation. It has the quality of a high-end. It's just beautiful. It stays on all day, but yet it's not a matte. It kind of gives you that glowy summer look. So I'm just going to be applying it all over my face. A lot of people forget their ears, I think. So just remember when you're applying foundation to bounce it around your ears as well. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful Maybelline palette called Lemonade Craze. I'm going to start with this brown shade for a crease shade. Just dab it all over the upper part of your eye in the crease, right above the crease, and just kind of smooth it out. Do that on the other side, going all the way in to like the bridge of your nose, and then all the way out past the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take this yellow shade. I think this is such a beautiful shade. It's really hard for me to use color on my eye, but I went for it this time and I absolutely loved the result. So starting in the inner corner, do it all the way across your lid halfway. So you're going to start in the inner corner and then just stop halfway. Next, I'm going to take this pink shade. It's really, really beautiful, kind of a coral shade, and just dab it from the crease all the way down just in the middle on both sides. Then just kind of blend that out. Now I'm going to really go for it. I'm going to take this darker pink shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to start just doing the outer corner, the outer half of the lid and the corner, and then just take a blending brush and make sure it's really blended out. I'm just dabbing it here with a flatter brush and then just using this blending brush, the fluffier one. Now I'm going to go for some glitter. I'm just taking all three of those glitters because they're just all so beautiful and I couldn't decide. So just dab it right down the center of your lid. And then also on the brow bone. Just blend that out a little bit more. Just blend all the top through, and then on the bottom we're going to add just a little bit of that brown shade mixed with a little bit of the pink. Then just go all the way out to the corners. I'm going to use this pink shade for a blush instead of an actual blush because it just pulled the whole look together. Now I'm going to contour. with this Hoola bronzer. I'm going to dab it in the hollows of my cheekbones and then bounce it out with a beauty blender. I'm going to use my favorite powder. This is from DHC. It's a Japanese skincare, absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous powder. Helps your makeup stay on all day. Now I'm going to use a little bit of highlight. This highlight is really natural looking. I think it's perfect. It's not too glittery and it makes your skin just look really beautiful. Next, I'm going to put on these beautiful blue earrings. These are from Guatemala, and just pop those in my ear. Next, I'm going to line my lips with a nude lip liner. I'm going to use this coral shade from L'Oreal. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this one for summer. I've had it for a couple, 3 years, I think. I don't know if they still have it, but I love it. I'm sure you can find one similar if you go to Walmart and just look. And there you have it. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup and hair tutorial. I loved it. And just have a beautiful, happy summer. And just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are. And just go out, go swimming, have a good time, girl. Put on a bathing suit. And I love you guys. Have a great day.